I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So I have been gone for a while, and the reason being is because my business Rescue My Space has been growing, and I have been having clients come to me asking me for help to get their space organized. So because of that, I haven't had the time to sit down and create a video for you guys, but I'm super excited that I finally found some time. And in today's video, because of my influx in clients, which I am grateful for, I have realized that as I've taken different clients, I've been refining my organizing process. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize like a pro. So the space I'll be organizing is my spare guest bathroom. This bathroom is actually used on a daily basis by me. My boyfriend has a little one and she has her space in the bathroom. So I wanted to make sure I incorporated her stuff in the bathroom, as well as just the normal things that you need in a bathroom. And the space right now is not functional at all. The stuff that's in there is just there, and it's been working, but I know it can work better, especially for her, because she is getting to that age where she likes to have her things together. She likes her things in its own area. So I want to make sure that I create that for her and also make it functional for other people who will be using that bathroom. So let's get right into the video. So if you guys are familiar with my other videos, you already know what the first step is. If you are trying to organize any space in your home, the first thing you need to do is what? Take everything out. What I like to do is take everything out of the space, whatever it is, whether it's roach bait, whether it is a bobby pin, whether it's a piece of tiny paper, take it out. Make it bare. Make sure that space is bare, because when a space is bare, you're able to see the potential. You're able to see the size of the space that you're trying to organize. You're able to see what can fit in the space. It's just easy to start with a blank canvas. So take everything out and place everything on a flat surface. The surface that I'll be using is I feel like when I'm talking without breathing or swallowing, this is what happens. So make sure you lay out everything so that you can see what you have. And this also makes it easier for step 2 for you to sort through everything and only keep the things that you need. So typically I would suggest you keeping the things that you love and or need, but for the most part, we don't really love everything that's in our bathroom. Maybe you do, I don't know. But most of the things that are in our bathroom at this very moment are things that we need in our bathroom. So I mean, like toilet paper, Q-tips, extra toothbrush, toothpaste. These are just the normal things that you have in your bathroom. Go through that, sort through it, whatever you need or love, you keep those. For everything else that you don't, you will either reposition them in another room, you will get rid of it, throw it away, recycle it, donate it, whatever you need to do. Those items will no longer be in that space. So step number 3 is to now create a blueprint or a project plan. So typically I suggest to do this in the beginning of a project because you're able to see how everything will look once it's done. But now I've been able to refine the process, and I believe that it's easier to create a project plan or a blueprint when there is a blank canvas and after you've gone through and purged everything, because you kind of start to learn what your client wants and needs, or what you want to need. Easier that way rather than kind of figuring it out before you actually begin the project. So in step 3, we create a blueprint, and this blueprint will highlight how the space will look once you're done. The goal that I have for this cabinet is to add drawers and bins to it. So the drawers will create division for the little one's belongings, whether that is her hair products or her toys. And the other drawers will act as just essentials that you need for the bathroom, for just guests who will be staying there. And then the bins will hold just the extra stuff I won't be putting in the drawers. So next, once you have the layout and you have an understanding of what you want it to look like, it's now time to shop. So step number 4 is to purchase those items. So whether you're doing it online or in the physical store, make sure you have your shopping list and you purchase the things that you need to organize your space. Of course, I'm not saying that you need to incorporate organizing products in your space. You do not need to do that. If you are someone who doesn't really need to add things or doesn't want to purchase anything, you don't have to. You can go on to step number 5 and and complete the project. But I like to incorporate certain organizing products to make it easier for the people who are going to be using the space, especially if you're trying to create divisions or categories. I think incorporating organizing products will make that process much easier. So once you have everything back, now it's time to determine what's going to go into those items. Once you've created the layout, everything is in its space, everything is put away. So in the next step, you then add those labels. You don't, of course, have to add labels, but for me, labels are like the ketchup and mayonnaise to French fries. You know, you need that mayonnaise just to reduce the ketchup flavor. You add a little bit of mayonnaise. That's what I like to do, at least. So, hey, it may sound nasty, but don't knock it till you try it, guys. Don't knock it till you try it. But anywho, you get the point. So even though these drawers are clear, I still always add labels because labels just make it easier for everyone else. So they know exactly where that item goes, especially for the little one. She could read her name, so she knows that that drawer is her drawer. So that's why I like to incorporate labels. They just make the process much easier, and it's like, it just makes it even prettier. The labels that I am using are these labels that I purchased from the Container Store. They are called it will be on the screen. I'll leave the link below as well. But these are labels that I probably use these labels everywhere in my home because they are so sleek. That's the thing. They're so sleek, they're so small, and they stick on anywhere. So in order to create the inserts for the labels, and really all you need is some craft paper and a label maker that can create white font on a clear tape. And if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably have already seen it. So once the labels are done, the process is done, the project is done, your space is organized, and you can now enjoy it. So when you're trying to get organized, it's all about creating a process that works for you. Whether you incorporate my process or your own process, it doesn't matter. It's all about what works for you, what feels natural to you, because at the end of the day, the most important part when getting organized is maintaining it. So yeah, guys. So let me ask you guys a question. How was your Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comment section below. I had a great Thanksgiving. I had a vegan Thanksgiving with some close friends, and it was amazing. Everything was delicious, and I think we're gonna make it a thing. So every Thanksgiving, we're just gonna bring our own vegan dish, and we're just gonna grow and grow it. So I'm super excited, but I'd love to hear your stories. You know, Thanksgiving is a time where we just come together and eat. So let me know what's your favorite dish. Let me know what you did. If you connected with your family, your friends, whatever it was, let me know in the comment section below. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.